You've seen it. That woman who walks into a cafe in a simple blouse and trousers, yet she looks effortlessly chic and modern. And then there's someone else in the same type of outfit. But instead of polished, it feels frumpy, dated, and adds years. So what's the real difference? It's not about expensive brands. It's about avoiding the everyday outfit mistakes that instantly steal your elegance after 50. And today, we're breaking them down, starting with one of the most common culprits. Mistake 1. Oversized, shapeless tops. One of the biggest style mistakes I see is women over 50 reaching for baggy, oversized tops, thinking they'll hide trouble spots. Yes, they feel comfortable, but these shapeless tops erase your silhouette, drown your frame, and unintentionally make you look heavier and older. I understand the temptation. Loose fits feel forgiving. But when your blouse or tunic has no structure, it removes all definition, leaving you with a boxy outline instead of a flattering shape. The elegant solution? Choose tops with gentle tailoring. Think soft draping, slight waist definition, or vertical seams that elongate the body. Even a simple blouse tucked neatly into high-rise trousers instantly transforms your proportions. And fabrics matter too. Flowy fabrics like silk blends or light cotton skim the body without clinging, giving comfort and elegance. The goal isn't tightness, it's intention. A well-fitted top makes you look confident, graceful, and stylish, while still feeling relaxed. Mistake 2. Baggy jeans. Here's a mistake that shows up everywhere. Baggy, outdated denim that swallows your frame. Those wide, saggy jeans might feel practical, but they do nothing for your shape or your style. Instead of elongating your legs, they bunch up, drag down, and instantly make your look appear sloppy and dated. Why this hurts your elegance? Denim is timeless, but the wrong cut can visually add pounds and years. When jeans lose shape, they erase your natural lines, leaving you with a boxy silhouette that hides your sophistication. The elegant solution? Choose straight leg or slim straight denim in a dark or medium wash. These cuts elongate your legs, skim your frame, and create that polished balance between casual and chic. Avoid heavy distressing or excessive embellishments. Simple, clean denim always looks more refined. Pair them with loafers, ankle boots, or sleek flats, and suddenly your casual jeans become a foundation of elegance rather than a style setback. Remember, denim should serve you, not work against you. Mistake 3. Frumpy, worn-out shoes. Nothing can ruin an otherwise elegant outfit faster than tired, frumpy shoes. I see it so often. Women invest time in their clothing, but then step out in worn-out flats, bulky sneakers, or clunky comfort shoes that instantly pull the whole look down. Why this is a problem? Shoes set the tone for your entire outfit. Outdated or shapeless footwear makes even the most polished clothing look careless. They also send the wrong message, that comfort has replaced style entirely. The elegant solution? You don't need painful heels to look chic. Instead, invest in shoes that combine comfort and refinement. Think sleek loafers, ballet flats with structure, low block heels, or streamlined sneakers in leather or suede. Neutral tones like black, beige, or navy make them versatile, while quality materials ensure they look sophisticated. Even the smallest update in footwear can transform your outfit from just okay to effortlessly stylish. Remember, your shoes are the finishing touch people notice more than you think. Mistake 4. Boxy, unstructured cardigans. Cardigans are a wardrobe staple, but here's where many women go wrong, choosing oversized, shapeless knits that hang like blankets. Instead of adding warmth and elegance, these boxy cardigans erase your shape, making you look heavier and less polished. Why this hurts your look? When a cardigan has no structure, it creates bulk through the middle and shortens your frame. The result? You look drowned in fabric instead of refined and intentional. The elegant solution? Opt for long line or softly tailored cardigans that create vertical lines down your body. These elongate your silhouette and subtly define your shape without clinging. Look for details like ribbed hems, slim sleeves, or a belt tie to add refinement. Pair them with tailored pants, slim jeans, or a sleek skirt to keep the outfit balanced. A well-chosen cardigan can still be cozy, but it should also frame your figure and whisper sophistication. Mistake 5. Outdated, bulky handbags. One accessory that instantly dates your look, an oversized, shapeless handbag that looks more like luggage than a style choice. I see it often. Women carrying slouchy, worn-out bags that add unnecessary bulk and drag down an otherwise elegant outfit. Why this is a problem? Your handbag is part of your silhouette. When it's too big, heavy, or outdated, it throws off proportions and makes the whole outfit appear less refined. A tired bag sends the message that details don't matter, and elegance is all about details. The elegant solution? Choose medium-sized structured handbags with clean lines. A tote with defined shape, a classic satchel, or a sleek crossbody instantly elevates your outfit. Stick with neutral tones like black, camel, or taupe for versatility, and look for quality materials. Smooth leather, pebbled textures, or subtle hardware that feels polished, not flashy. Remember, a bag isn't just functional, it's part of your style story. A well-chosen one speaks volumes about your sophistication. Mistake. 6. Loud, busy prints. One of the fastest ways to overwhelm your elegance is wearing jackets, tops, or dresses in overly loud, busy prints. Think oversized florals, wild, geometric patterns, or clashing colors that dominate your entire look. Instead of feeling chic, they make the outfit distracting and even costume-like. Why this hurts your look? Busy prints draw attention away from you and often add unnecessary visual weight. They can make outfits look cheap or dated, and they're rarely flattering on mature frames. The elegant solution? Opt for subtle, sophisticated patterns instead, like pinstripes, small polka dots, or tone-on-tone prints. These add visual interest without overwhelming. If you love florals, choose smaller, delicate prints in muted tones rather than bold, oversized blooms. Pair printed pieces with solid neutrals to keep balance and let the pattern breathe. The goal is refinement. Prints should enhance your presence, not compete with it. Mistake 7. Ignoring accessories. An elegant outfit can lose all its impact if it's missing the finishing touches. Too often, women skip accessories entirely, thinking they're unnecessary or too much. The result? Outfits that feel incomplete or flat. Why this matters? Accessories frame your look. Without them, even the best clothing can feel plain. A missing belt, absent jewelry, or outdated scarf leaves your style unfinished, like a picture without a frame. The elegant solution? Choose fewer, but better quality accessories that elevate without overwhelming. A sleek leather belt to define the waist. A pair of pearl or gold stud earrings for timeless polish. A silk scarf in muted tones for effortless sophistication. Remember, accessories don't need to be flashy. They just need to feel intentional. Even one refined piece can transform your look from nice to complete. Mistake 8. Neglecting fit. The most common mistake of all, and the one that instantly ruins elegance, is wearing clothes that simply don't fit properly. Too tight, and they highlight every line in an unflattering way. Too loose, and they swallow your shape completely. Why this matters? No matter how expensive or stylish a piece is, if it doesn't fit your body well, it will never look elegant. Poor fit creates the impression of carelessness and can add years to your appearance. The elegant solution? Prioritize tailoring. Even affordable clothing looks luxurious when it's adjusted to your proportions. Hem trousers so they hit just right. Taper sleeves for a clean line. Adjust waistlines to bring gentle definition. A well-fitted blazer, dress, or pair of trousers instantly transforms how you carry yourself, making you look taller, slimmer, and infinitely more polished. Remember, elegance isn't about size, it's about fit. When clothes skim your body in the right places, you radiate confidence. Closing. Elegance is in the details. And there you have it, 8 common style mistakes that can quietly steal your elegance, and the simple swaps that bring it right back. Remember, sophistication isn't about chasing trends or wearing designer labels, it's about thoughtful choices, the right fit, clean lines, and pieces that highlight you rather than hide you. When you pay attention to these details, your style tells the world that you're confident, graceful, and intentional.